Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy JTM, and now we gotta fix this busted, dented bumper. Thank God it's plastic, so show you guys how to do it. So the first thing I'm gonna grab is a heat gun. So what I'm gonna do is heat that up in circles. Make sure that I get all corners plus the part where it's pressed in to easily pop it back out. And you guys will see in the little time-lapse video I'm about to do after this. Okay guys, so what you're going to want to do is pretty much heat this up right here. And I'm about to show you guys. This is from Harbor Freight, so I got multiple settings. And what I'm going to do is pretty much put this on the high and just go in circles, making sure that I don't overheat this thing too much. So it actually might be easier to do this with two people. So I'm gonna have Franny DC5 help me out with this at the moment. Alright guys, so that's just a reflection. Oh wait, no, maybe that's a dent. So I pretty much got most of it popped back out. So now after I get this all straightened out, I'm gonna get a wet towel, cool it off so it doesn't stay that soft that it is. Then I'll get the polish and try to make this part shiny again. And the chip parts I won't be able to fix, but that should do it. Alright guys, so there you guys go. Dent's all popped out. So it has a little bit of scratches right here, but like he said, drifting scars. Psych! But I don't have any paint match colors to redo this, so all I'm gonna do is just pretty much try to remove some of the scratches. So all you got is the paint chips, which will be easy to do with Meguiar's. If I have it somewhere. Where did I put that? Oh, here it is. All you're gonna need is this. Meguiar's glaze. This is the Swirl Remover 2.0 at light cut 3. I probably would have got the heavier cut, but that's all I got right now. So guys, I'm gonna put another photo probably on this side of how this used to look before, because this right here was ugly. Well, you can't see yourself, it's black right here. It's like a silhouette. It said burnt. So the dent right here, it got pretty much went away, not too much. And then the paint chips, of course, shows the damages. I don't got any paint match or paint correction thing to fix this up. So pretty much all I did was use the cut and buff, or buff this out pretty much to make most of the scratches disappear. All I got now is this paint chips. There is one more I noticed, a slight dent. Well, you can't actually notice it in the freaking video, which is crazy. But yeah, I got most of it, but I can't remove the tabs under the bottom because my jack does not want to work. So to remove all this, there's pretty much two clips under here that I had to remove just to remove the screw that is making this part right here pop back in. So I can't really stick my hand in and push it out unless I remove the whole entire bumper. But I pretty much just did what I could, and that's how it looks. So now she doesn't have that big old dent. It's all flush again, which is pretty good in my opinion. What do you think? Huh? It's all good? Snatched. Hella jumped into the video. But yeah. No, that's technically because it's her car. I've been saying it was Franny DC5. He has been driving the car, but it's actually Catherine's. Yeah, so we pretty much got that all settled. If they do buy the paint, what I'm gonna do is pretty much sand this down and then put the paint correction right here, clear coat it, and then do the same thing, cut and buff, and it'll come shiny again, and it looks like nothing ever happened. But if I ever do get to that point, if they ever get to that point, I will get the jack stand, do it more properly, and get this pushed in by adding the heat and blend it in. So let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of the video. It's pretty much slow. I mean a short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the time I took to just show you guys what I do on random occasions. Pretty much this is a random, and I said I'll do it, and I popped out a dent. So like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Peace out. Yeah, see guys, I removed most of the scratches, so really it's just the paint chip.